Miriam, our brother Musa, we are grateful for your hospitality.
It's freely given, brother. I said not to bring him back.
Aaron, can we talk of this inside?
You must be purchased from the road. There's a drink, if you like.
Yes, please.
After drink, you should leave. That's how mother wanted it.
Aaron, I didn't bring him. He journeyed here. Of his own accord you. It to master listen to him, Mariam. God speak to him.
God speaks to all of us in dreams.
Moses. Was far more than I dream. He sent me here to front our people and return to land of Canaan.
You met God? No one has met our God 104 years.
It's true. I saw to him. Moses was told to speak me out. I had the dream to meet Moses. Do you not see, sister? God is with us again. The elders and the foremen need to know.
The elders and the foreman knows him to an Egyptian noble. Do you think they will trust him? Mother said,
You keep, dear mother, sit. Is our mother dead?
no, she's not die. She's... Mother? Did you hear your name? Come in. Come in.
She left us some time ago. Mother, how are you? I am well. She recognizes no one. Mother, I am so sorry. I never knew you all that you did for me. It is you